In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass on Roblox Mobile. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now let's head over with the tutorial. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open create.roblox.com on your browser. Now make sure you're signed in to your Roblox account. And here, go ahead and click on your experience and click on the Manage Experience button. Now in this section, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. And in here, just go ahead and scroll down to this section. So in here, you'll need to look for passes. Now in the passes section, go ahead and click on the Create a Pass button to be able to create a pass. In this section, you'll need to create a name for your pass. You'll need to upload the image of your pass and the description of your pass. So as you can see in here, in this section, it is indicated what type of file formats are accepted for the image of the pass that you can create for your experience. Now, once you're done naming, uploading a pass photo, and creating a description for your passes, you can just go ahead and scroll down and click on the Create Pass button to be able to successfully create this pass for your experience. So just go ahead and click on the Create Pass button and you'll get redirected into this section where you'll be able to find all of the passes that you've created for your experiences. And that's how you can simply create a pass or Game Pass on Roblox Mobile. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.